Hello everyone and welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Today I want to show you how to not layer glitter. You want to do a knockout. This is actually a knockout of white and black. So let me go ahead and show you. All right. So how I'm doing this, I'm making a shirt. Now it has an offset on both sides. So now you can select which one you want to be the enter and then which one you want to be out. So I want the darkest one. So I'm just going to grab it and pull half of that off. So that way I know that I'm using it so you can kind of see the offset. All right. And then I'm just going to grab the A out of here. So now I'm just going to weed those out real quick. And then we will get back into this. I just wanted to show you this so that way you don't get confused when you layer. So, I'm sorry, not layer, but you're doing a knockout. Because there are some vinyls that the manufacturer tells you there's a reason why if they tell you you cannot layer this. So you need to use a knockout method. And that is just with the offset. Now I leave that piece in there just to make it all stable. But I am going to take out this right here. And so now let me show you. Okay. See how that looks? All right, so we are going to press it like this, but I will tell you I like to press the center first. And I have a pressing pillow up underneath here just to show, because my press will not get this out of the way. This is just on there just a little bit. So I need a pressing pillow so it lifts it up. All right, so now I'm just going to press this. Now I will tell you, because I'm pressing 2 of these, I am going to half the time because I do not want to overwork the vinyl. So to give you your center, you just kind of pinch right here, give you your 4 fingers. All right. So now I'm just going to press. You can press Caesar glitter at 320 for 15 to 20 seconds. So I'm going to do this one for 10. All right. Okay. And Caesar glitter is a warm peel. Because I have this heat, this pressing pillow behind here, it's still warming it up. So you want to give it a few extra seconds to cool off, because you do not want to stretch this on the inside, because then everything will not come out properly. So if it starts to stretch, then I just wait a little bit more. Okay, and then you flat it or pat it back down. All right, and now I am going to that on there, lay it flat. All right, now I'm going to press this for 10 seconds. All right, and then you have a beautiful knockout that looks amazing on there. All right, and if you have any questions, comment below. But if you have a manufacturer that states that not to layer, there is a reason why. So just go ahead and use the knockout method. All right, if you have any other questions, comment below and I would be glad to answer them for you. And as always, have a great day. Thanks.